Hello, this is Jeff with Truck and Trailer, your capital for commercial vehicle sales, service, and secure truck parking. Today we're looking at this 2019 Chevy Express 3500, and it is powered by the 6.0 liter V8 Vortec GMC gas engine with only 93,000 miles. This is a one-owner, locally fleet-maintained vehicle coming from a company that we are very familiar with. Now back here on the rear, we have an aluminum skinned cargo box by the Supreme Corporation. It measures 15 feet deep and features pine plank flooring, cargo lighting, plywood lighting on the walls, D-rings, a step bumper, and a pull-out aluminum loading ramp. Keep in mind, if you need any modifications such as E-Track, a lift gate, additional lighting, we can do all that for you here in-house. We do offer nationwide extended warranties that will take you out for another 90,000 miles, and available is coast-to-coast delivery so we can bring that truck directly to your front door. And here is this super popular and very reliable 6.0 liter V8 Vortec gas engine. This puppy has been serviced and inspected in our Road Ready program here at Truck and Trailer, so it's ready to go to work. It runs great, and you're going to be happy with it. The cab interior here is in very nice condition. It features all the bells and whistles you're going to find in most every cutaway box truck like this. Not going to go into every detail. However, if you do need to haul 3 people, we do offer a third man jump seat that we can install. It comes with a seat belt, and that's one problem you can take care of and check off the box. You may be asking, hey Jeff, how can I buy this truck? Well, we take cash payments and we have very competitive financing. If financing is the route you're looking to go, just down below you'll find a link to our soft pull credit application. It won't ding your credit, but allows us to take a look and give you an idea of what we can do for you. Now, if you find our videos helpful, please help us grow this channel. Hit that like and subscribe. Comment down below with any questions or comments. We would love to hear from you. And don't forget, my name's Jeff with Truck and Trailer, and we're here to help you grow your business.